In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add other income in FreshBooks in a complete step-by-step guide. Let's get started by navigating to the FreshBooks website. Open up your preferred web browser and perform a quick Google search for FreshBooks to access their homepage. Once there, you'll want to locate and click on the Login option. This button is typically found in the upper right-hand corner of the screen. After clicking on it, proceed by entering your account credentials to log in. If you haven't set up an account yet, make sure to do so. It's fast, easy, and allows you to make the most out of FreshBooks' features. Now that you're logged into your account, direct your attention to the top of the dashboard. Here, you'll notice a button that says Create New. This button is your gateway to adding any new data into the system. So go ahead and give it a click. As you do, a drop-down menu will appear, presenting you with several different options for what you can create or add. Look through this list and select Other Income. This is where you'll begin to input the income details that don't necessarily fall under your regular invoices or sales. Next, you'll be prompted to fill in a few fields to accurately record this new income. Start by typing in the source of this income. This could be anything from a government rebate, an affiliate payment, freelance work, or any other income sources that contribute to your business outside of your standard procedures. Take a moment to ensure the source is properly labeled to maintain clarity and accuracy in your financial records. After recording the source, it's time to categorize this income. Click on the Categorize Under dropdown and choose the most relevant category that aligns with this particular income. Proper categorization is vital as it aids in organizing your finances, ensuring compliance, and providing clearer insights during reporting. The next step involves adding the amount of income you've received. Enter this value with precision, including the correct currency if that applies to your situation. Being accurate with figures ensures your books are balanced, which is crucial when managing your finances and preparing for tax season. Don't forget, FreshBooks allows you to customize the date of the transaction. Look for the date field and, if necessary, change the date to reflect when this income was actually received. Furthermore, FreshBooks provides the flexibility to add any included taxes. So if the income you've recorded includes taxes, make sure to indicate that. Once you've double-checked all your entries for accuracy, click on Save. This button will ensure your data is stored securely within the FreshBooks system. Finally, to view your income entries and confirm the addition, click on View Income Entries. This will navigate you to a list of all logged income, allowing you to review and manage them as needed. And that's it! You've successfully added other income in FreshBooks. Thanks for watching, and be sure to check back for more helpful tutorials.